Unang yalam ka BJP Rituraj Sinha, National Secretary, ulaput turoy ka Sarkar Padeng ka bayalam ka BJP, baka day ka bakhuy, ka bamjudan ka jingthop briani bamsap, hapo kini ki prasnem bayalam, Narendra Modi, kumu menteri rangba do kari. Usenhaw lakren ya kanementa ka arpu pratrik naiwing araja arpuar, hak jingwan jungo jong u, ya ka party hashalong. Ula ongru baka BJP kamdan kiwe kimat lat na karoy kapar ka jingsan shar ka bukhuj ya baro klem dalle shiliang.
I'd like to say on this occasion that Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, in the last 8 years of his government, has proven a model of corruption-free development in India. In the 75 years of independence, some of us had started to believe that no government can be run without corruption and scam, and like in Hindi they say ghotala. But Modi ji has proven that there can be politics of performance, politics of development, politics of integrity and accountability. India today is emerging as a global power, not just economically, but also politically. As you know, Prime Minister Modi and India has taken presidency of the G20 recently. G20 represents 80% of the world GDP and 2/3 of the world population. So in the truest sense, Modi ji has emerged as the leader of the new world. But Modi ji is always focused on Gaon, Garib ka Kalyan. Empowerment of villages, empowerment of our poor brothers and sisters has been Modi ji's #1 priority always. Prime Minister Modi has converted the Look East policy into the Act East policy. He just not talks about Northeast. He is the only Prime Minister in independent India who has visited Northeast for more than 50 times. 50 occasions he has come to Northeast, and each time he has given something new, whether it is an airport, railway connectivity, road connectivity, or many such new things. Prime Minister Modi has done and continues to do and is committed to do more and more for the Northeast area, and the people of Northeast have reciprocated their love and affection for Modi ji. We have formed, BJP has formed government in Assam, in Manipur, in Tripura, in Arunachal, even in Nagaland. We have a coalition government. Even in Sikkim, we have a coalition government. Other than Mizoram and Meghalaya, where we are a small partner, we have a dominant role in government of all other states. Prime Minister Modi has been committed to doing more. Many of you may not be fully acknowledging the fact that in 2010, Meghalaya's share of central taxes was 600 crores. Today, under Prime Minister Modi in 2022, Meghalaya's share of central taxes is more than 6,000 crore rupees. From 600 to 6,000 crores. 10 times Meghalaya's share of central taxes has been increased. In addition to that, the central government support to Meghalaya has increased more than 3 times since 2014. Under Prime Minister Modi, there is concerted effort to bring benefit to the people of Meghalaya. 21 lakh people of Meghalaya, 21 lakh people of Meghalaya, which is almost more than 2/3 of the total population, has received free Modi Chawal, Modi rice, under the Pradhan Mantri Anna Yojana. For more than 2 years, free rice has been distributed, which has helped our poor brothers and sisters sustain during Corona and also after Corona. In rural and urban area, 70,000 people have been given homes under Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. 35,000 plus homes have been constructed and delivered already. Others are under progress. Under Prime Minister Modi, 2.6 lakh houses in Meghalaya, which is 52% of the households in Meghalaya, have received piped water connection under Jal Jeevan Mission. Most interior part, we are laying water pipe so that people of Meghalaya, especially ladies of Meghalaya, don't have to take trouble of going and fetching water and storing water. My dear friends, under PM Kisan Yojana, more than 75,000 farmers of Meghalaya are getting 6,000 rupees support from central government to help them in farming. Modi has done a lot for Meghalaya in last many years, but we believe as BJP that Meghalaya deserves better. Meghalaya deserves more. Looking at the development work that is happening in your neighboring state in last 6 years in Assam, one feels pain that why we cannot do more in the state of Meghalaya and the people of Meghalaya. Meghalaya deserves better healthcare, whether it is your public healthcare system, PHC, or other district level healthcare system. Meghalaya needs better education facility, from primary education to higher education. Meghalaya is still suffering from power cuts and electricity issues. Meghalaya still, many interior parts, the road connectivity is not as good as it should be in a developed state. There is lot of areas where Meghalaya deserves better. This development can only happen with support from central government, support from Modi Sarkar in Delhi. As BJP, we believe that Meghalaya has tried many options. It is now time for Meghalaya to consider a double engine government, a government of BJP in center with a government of BJP in the state of Meghalaya.